Did he get in?
Huh?
The helicopter?
No idea if I helicopter's dead or not.
Spread out, guys, get around it. Everybody, all friendly, move up to yellow. Careful, we're taking fire. All right, fire's coming from the left side, up top, on the hill. Gotcha. Take some people with you. Take them with you. Push north. Look at the referee, just to the right of the referee, 50 feet out. All right, he went down to ground. He's flat on the ground, he's low crawling. Adrian, check your 6 frequently. Check your 6 frequently. Did we get credit, referee, for having this base at 11:30? Copy, copy.
Which I got. There's one enemy on the tape line straight west of the yellow base.
How far out?
Maybe 50 feet from where we're set up.
Porkchop 2, you copy that? Over? He's either hit or he's on top of it.
Yeah, I copy. He's 50 feet from us.
Oh, straight out, straight out. There's 2 more, 3 more. 3 are moving way out. Are they walking back or coming at us? They went to ground. There's 2 of them there. They're medicing the guy we just shot. Straight out 100, 150 feet. Adrian, from your chance, you're looking at 2 o'clock. All right, they just pulled the guy back. They mediced him. Now they're coming at us. There's at least squad-size enemy forces in that woods up there, guys. 8 to 10 people, over. Okay. Blood General Porkchop 6, be advised, we got control of Yellow Fire Base just before the last count. We have squad-size enemy just to the north and to the west of the Yellow Fire Base. We're engaging. Over. I can't see. Damn it, I need my binoculars. Take cover! They're trying to move around our left flank.
Hold your position, Blue. Hold your position.
Exactly. Let them come to us. We've got the base. They have to attack. We do have the base. Guys in the base, check your 6. We do not have black. I lost him. Ethan, do you still see him? Blue smoke at 11, get ready. They're bouncing rounds off my barrel here. I don't know where it's coming from. It's only one at a time. I think I got a sniper trying to snipe me out. I'm falling short. Right where that blue smoke was, guys, just to the left of that. There's shadows moving up the hill there. Fuck, did you fall down? There's that guy with the saw from yesterday. All right, they have moved south and west. They are due west of Yellow Firebase now. How far from the tape line? Do you have visual? Shit, we got activity to the north as well. Zach, are you in play? Are you in play? Get up that hill. That's fine. Get up the hill on the path. Is there a path? Shit.
I know there's a path that goes all the way to Hamburg.
Yeah.
Top 5, Porkchop 6.
5, this is 6. Go ahead, over. Good copy. We are engaged firefight. We're holding yellow. It's your call. Do what you think is best. Over.
Copy that.
Everything is happening in the woods over here. He's hit. The other guy, I don't know where the hell's hitting him. They're all in here. Okay. We'd have nobody friendlies left over there. Everybody's hit.
All right.
If you guys can move this way, watch for friendlies coming up behind you. Oh, he's seen somebody from here all the way up. It's all tangos.
I heard you have a sniper around here.
Yeah, he's been trying to snipe at the guy in here, but he was shooting me at the blue barrel. But
okay, yeah, looks like he's...
it's a guy walking out. We might have one more friendly right there and one up there.
Yeah, we have a ghillie guy right there.
Good, good, good. I didn't even see him.
That's the situation.
All the way from further out about 50 feet up through here. Our friendlies are all right here. There's nothing north of that. And we're taking fire all the way up in there.
Okay. Porkchop.
I tell him to go ahead. I'm monitoring. I don't know if he can hear me. This is Porkchop 6. Go ahead. What did he say?
Leader wanted you, he's talking to me, he wants you guys to go left side. He wants 6 people to go left side, clear out straight ahead, make sure no one.
We got it. We're on it. We're on it. We know it. We know it.
I'll fire off.
Yep.
Me and this other guy are down do reconnaissance down there.
If you guys want to, go up to the tape line here and start moving north. However many you guys want to do. Do you know what a static line is?
Yeah.
Okay, just push north along the tape line in this trail and push them out. If you can, try to flush them out so we all know where they're at. They're just in here somewhere.
What's your estimation of numbers?
5 to 6.
5 to 6?
Yep, probably half a squad.
I think there's at least 3. Because Rich, I was right up there,
Yep,
and this guy, he just threw out of the bushes, and no one could see him.
We're outside the base. These 2 guys are dead. Son of a bitch. My radio's not working. Tell him we need an engineer at yellow. Here they come. Here they come.
Rich, move! Wait, can we not go into yellow?
No, it's been airstruck. They're going to move down the hill. They're going to move down the hill. Be ready. Everybody push up 50 feet. We need to get around that yellow base. We need security around the yellow base. Get up. Go, go, go.
Did they push it? Did they push
He can't go inside it, but we can surround it. Let's go. We need security around the yellow base.
Did they push the push pin?
No, they did not. The referee did that. We need you up here ASAP. They have the pin. We're coming close to count. Over. I'm not getting across. Do not let them approach. Engineer is on the way. Fuck. Be advised, they airstruck the base and then attacked. We repelled it, but they pushed the pin. We're back. We need an engineer. You can move all the way up along the tape line back towards yellow where we're at now. Over. We repelled the attack, but if you guys want to come over here and firm us up, that'd be great. Over. I'm right by the pin. We repelled their attack, but I lost a bunch of guys doing it. If you guys want to move up here and firm us up, that'd be great. Friendly's moving up from behind on the right. Excuse me, on the left. West side.